my YouTube channel. Sorry I haven't been on here for a while. So for today's video, I am just gonna kind of show y'all how I set up for my client. This is kind of like a vlog slash I'm just showing you how I set up. So it's gonna be kind of a quick video, but yeah, so this is how I set up for my client. I just have one today. I had some errands to run this morning, so it's already afternoon time. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what I do here. Okay, so as for my bed, I always put this bed cover over it just for so you don't cross-contaminate, you know. It's just always good to do that. I always put my dental bib. Also make sure to have a blanket ready for your clients, so they can cover themselves when they lay down for their last nap. Okay, if we go over here to my tray, I have my water, distilled water ready. If you don't have any distilled water, get it and make sure it's labeled. Oh, sorry, it's not. Oh. Okay. I have my Nessie Studio Lash shampoo ready to wash my clients' lashes. As soon as they get here, first thing they do, I always wash their lashes, no matter what. I don't care what happens, you wash their lashes always. Okay, and next I have my bonder, my super bonder from Stacy Lash. I love this bonder, it's really good. It's a good dupe for the London Lash super bonder. Sorry, I don't know why it's not. Hello, can you focus? Thank you. Super bonder. Okay, anyways, yeah, I have that. I have my tweezers here, and don't worry about that, that's just like glue that doesn't come off. It's not dust, I promise you. I clean this. Anyways, so I have my tweezers here, my isolating and picking up tweezer. I got a lash spoolie, you always need one, and a little disposable lip applicator. I got my adhesive. Sadly, I think they discontinued the I Dare You adhesive, so for now I just ordered the Stacy Lash lash glue because I do like it, and it's also pretty affordable, so it's really good, and I feel like the retention is very good. If you're a beginner, this is actually the best brand to try. I really enjoyed working with this while I was learning, so I always go back to it if in case of emergencies. So yeah, thank you Stacy Lash for that. Yeah, so I have my little fan ready, a little lint free. This is always to clean off your adhesive, to burp your glue and everything, so make sure you're doing that. And here I have my stuff ready, so whenever they come in, I just take out the eye patches, get my little micro swabs. This is for the bonder. You use this with the bonder and you apply it to the lash line. You know, make sure we seal them lashes. I've been over a lot of these products already in another video, and I will link it below, so you guys can go check it out, where I talk more in depth over these products. Yeah, and here I have my little lash tray container. So I just have my D-curl for like the what's it called, classic lashes. So yeah, and then I have, of course, all of my other lash trays, or all the other diameters. I usually use 0.05. The ones that I use the most is 0.05 D curl and CC curl. So those are the lashes that I use the most. I also do use my own lashes to do my clients, so if y'all want to go ahead and check those out, like I said, I'll leave it linked below. Yeah, so basically that is how I set up for my clients, and now we just wait till she comes in, and yeah, we are ready to go. Gotta put some jams on, so let me do that. Lately I've been listening to a lot of Selena Gomez. Love her, love this song in particular. I've been listening to it on repeat. Souvenir, if you know, you know. I can't even zoom in. Okay, there, zoomed in, but yeah, Souvenir by Selena Gomez, a bop. And in case y'all didn't know, I also do permanent makeup, so yeah, I have it set up for my client whenever she comes in. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of that later. Yeah, let me go ahead and give you guys a little tour real quick before my client comes in. Yesterday I actually just restocked this, so I am happy that I have some snacks in there. Got some waters. I need to get more though. As soon as they walk in, this is what my clients see. Yeah, here I have little business cards. I like collaborating with other people in the building or other people who usually give me their cards. I will always leave them on my table so they can see. If you're looking for a hairdresser, there's one in the same building. Yeah, I also have this little coffee bar for my clients here so they can grab coffee on their way out. So that is my favorite part about my studio, I think, is getting coffee. So yeah, this is my little studio, guys. That's my wax station over there and my back bar. Don't worry, I keep it super clean, spotless. I always spray it down with Clorox, so making sure nothing ever cross contaminates. But yeah, so this is my room. Just make sure you guys are being clean. That's how you set up for your clients, is just making sure everything that you use is super clean. And yeah, so yeah, it was a super short video, I know, but I just wanted to show you guys how I set up for my clients whenever they come in, and kind of give y'all a small little tour of my studio. And if you guys want me to make any videos over a certain topic or anything, just make sure to leave it in the comments below, and I will definitely get to it. Right now I'm still a super small creator, so anything helps, guys. Like, y'all give me some reference points to go off of to make a video for you guys, something that y'all are confused about. I would love to make it. But yeah, so that's all I have for you guys today. Next week, hopefully I will be more consistent making these videos. Sometimes it's just, life gets a little crazy and it's hard, but no excuses, right? No excuses. So yeah, I'm gonna keep coming with the videos. Yeah, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. And don't mind my lashes, I need to get with my lash girl already. Screams. I just realized I've been waiting around and I thought my appointment was at 2. It's actually at 2:30. Always check your schedule. Always check your schedule, because don't be like me and mix up the times. I'm glad, like, at least I didn't like overlap clients. But yeah, always double check your schedule to make sure you know what time your client's coming in. Okay, anyways, a little blooper for y'all.